How to hide Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to hide Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram. Make sure to sign in. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Tap 3-bar menu icon at top right. Once you're on setting in activity page, scroll down. Now look for the option of account type in tools. Select switch to professional account. Tap next button. Choose your category and tap on switch to professional. Choose your type of professional and tap on next button. Tap not now and you can set up your professional accounts. Once you change your personal account to professional, navigate to the inbox icon at top right corner of your screen. And at the top, you can easily find out the three section. If you want to hide a particular Instagram DM, long press on it and then tap on move to general. Now it has been hidden to primary. It's the same for general and the request as well. So that is how we can easily hide Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.